I just got a new remote control car, and it's amazing. So yeah, this is my friend Sharia. So yeah, I got braces finally. Yeah, she got those little things that go on her teeth. JK, just kidding, they're fake.
Yeah.
Take them out. See 'em?
They're from like bobby pins or whatever.
Yeah. I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to do that. So yeah, after this video, we're gonna make a tutorial. Yeah. Okay, back to the remote control car. Okay. This is the remote control car. I do not know if you can see it, but it says New Bright. It's a monster truck. And then it can go forwards, backwards, sideways, or...
Can I go downstairs?
Yeah.
Once it's turned around?
Yeah. And she's gonna take it down the stairs.
Sorry about it. You guys won't be able to see it.
Can you... I don't know if you can see the stairs, but ready? Go!
Oh, yeah.
There! Yeah, I went down the stairs. Yeah! Alright, now we're going to show you the remote.
Hold on.
I'm going to see the remote. Come on, I want to see the remote.
I can't get it up the stairs. Here, I'm going to go get it.
This is the remote. This one goes... This one is to go... This is backwards. This is forward. This way is to turn. This way is to turn right, and this way is to turn left, and this way is to turn right. So yeah. And once again, here's the remote. The remote takes a power cell size AA. Yeah.
This is double A.
Double A.
Smart guy.
I got it at Toys R Us in Fort Wayne. I hope you guys like it. Oh, by the way, and it was kind of expensive, but not really that much.
It was only like $45.
41.
I don't care.
Exaggerate. Yeah.
Okay, well, I hope you liked our video, and we will see you later.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.